I don't know whether I'm going to get lucky with this or not. I shut the radio off. I don't want to be in no compliance with, god dang it, truck, with a copyright law. There is somehow a rock that got in here. I have no idea where that came from. So what I did, I'm sorry this video kind of is tough. I found something sticky. And I put something on the end of this dumdum. I'm going to attempt to hold that up. Alright, so this is a little fiddly and hard to watch. So if you're still here, thank you. I just wanted to show a crazy idea I had that did actually work. You're going to see that happen in just a second. Always remember to think outside the box. Sometimes the simplest solutions are exactly what works the best. Oh yeah. There was literally a rock wedged in there. I don't even know where it came from. But yeah, I literally put something gooey on the end of a dumdum. And it literally came. That's wild. It was making so my automatic switches didn't work. That's nuts. All right, you guys have a great day.